The fuel cap warning light is a critical safety feature in modern vehicles that many drivers encounter but don't fully understand. This warning light is part of your vehicle's evaporative emission control system, or EVAP system, which prevents harmful fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The system works by maintaining a sealed fuel system under slight vacuum pressure. Sensors continuously monitor this pressure, and when the fuel cap is loose, damaged, or missing, the system detects pressure loss. When pressure loss is detected, the engine control module triggers various warning indicators on your dashboard. The most common indicator is the check engine light, but you may also see a direct fuel cap symbol, a Tighten fuel cap message, or an EVAP system warning. Understanding the root causes helps you address the issue quickly. The most frequent cause is simply a loose fuel cap, accounting for 60 to 70% of all cases. Other causes include damaged cap seals, cross-threaded installation, faulty caps, or broader EVAP system issues. Here's an example of a damaged fuel cap seal with visible cracks that can cause pressure loss. When you see the fuel cap warning light, follow these immediate steps to address the issue safely and effectively. First, pull over safely when the light appears. Remove and inspect the fuel cap for any visible damage or debris. Clean the cap threads and filler neck of any debris. Then reinstall the cap properly by turning clockwise until you hear 3 to 4 distinct clicks. After proper installation, allow 1 to 3 complete drive cycles for the system to reset automatically. The warning light should turn off once the system confirms proper sealing. Understanding these fundamentals helps you quickly identify and resolve fuel cap warning issues, preventing unnecessary trips to the mechanic. When basic fuel cap tightening doesn't resolve the warning light, 3 advanced reset methods can help restore your vehicle's emission system. The first method is a drive cycle reset. Drive your vehicle normally for 50 to 100 miles, including both highway and city driving. This allows the vehicle's computer system to complete its diagnostic checks and automatically reset the warning light. The second method uses an OBD2 scanner to clear specific diagnostic codes. Connect the scanner and clear codes P0440, P0441, P0442, P0455, and P0456. Then perform an EVAP system readiness test to ensure the emission system is functioning properly. The third method is a battery disconnect reset. As a last resort, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes. This resets the vehicle's computer system, but note that you may need to reset other vehicle settings afterward. Prevention is key to avoiding future fuel cap warning lights. Start by investing in quality OEM or high-grade aftermarket fuel caps that maintain proper sealing over time. Regular maintenance is essential. Clean the cap threads and sealing surfaces every few months to prevent debris buildup. Handle the cap gently, avoiding over-tightening or forcing it into place. Replace your fuel cap every 5 to 7 years or every 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. The rubber gasket deteriorates over time, leading to seal failure and emission system problems. If warning lights persist after proper fuel cap installation and these reset methods, seek professional diagnosis. The issue may involve broader EVAP system components that require specialized equipment and expertise to repair.